Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. What's happening, man? Dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Animan himself. Got a good video for y'all today. Well, I hope it's a good video. But right now, I'm about to start breakfast. So, I got some MayRose parts that I want to share with y'all. I told y'all I had something else for MayRose, trying to go a different route. So, got something else. So, let me go ahead and get this breakfast done. I got a few things I gotta do today. And yeah, let y'all see what we got, man. Hopefully, y'all can use these just in case or whatnot. And yeah, make your LS swap headache a little lighter. So yeah, let me do this and I hit y'all right back, man. Stay tuned, about to get real. Man, I keep picking in my beard. That's real deal gray hair. I be thinking something in my beard, dog. But yeah, so I know I said I was gonna get y'all a video, man, of what I had. So I'm getting my haircut right now. Well, about to get my haircut, and then I gotta make another run, and then I'm gonna go to the house, get y'all a video, man, of what's going on, show y'all where everything go. I'm gonna probably, I need to install it. It won't be today though. It won't be today because I really don't have to do it today. But I need to go ahead and put that install. I mean, go and do that install. But if I do that, like if I do that, well, no, I don't. I can say I gotta change out the jug immediately, but no, I don't. So, yeah, I'll probably do it. More than likely, I'll do it sometime this week though, just because I don't like to have stuff just piling up, laying around. I don't like when especially when it's car parts. Like I be wanting to put it back together. But yeah, I'm probably do it sometime this week, and I'll show y'all. But that'll be in another video. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got when I get back to the crib. That way y'all know. And I'm gonna might put some links in the description, all that good stuff right there. But let me go on up in here so I can get this knocked out. And yeah, get myself looking together. Boy, I'm looking beat right now. Look at my mustache. Good God. Yo. So, back at the house, man. Good old haircut, man. Good old haircut. Bam, bam, bam. Beard, you know what I'm saying? Mustache, things like that. Y'all know what I'm saying? Y'all know how it go. Oh, shit. That's all right. Anyway, so I said I had some parts to show y'all. So, once again, man, watching people that's trying to do better will help you do better. Gravitating to people that's trying to do better or trying to, I ain't gonna even say trying to do better, but gravitating to people that's positive and on positive stuff and things like that right there, man, you will automatically, it's like you will automatically be trying to do better. So, watching Brian Ike, you know what I'm saying? Brian Ike has a lot of innovative ways on things that he does with his bills, you know what I'm saying? So, stuff that I didn't know about. So, I was watching the build on the box shaver that he got, not a white box, the LS, and there was a specific part that he had that I was like, man, I can use that because I'm trying to get rid of some of the stuff that I have already, so I could use that. You know what I'm saying? So what he had was this little thing right here. This and this. I'm gonna show y'all where it go. So y'all know I'm trying to get rid of my can y'all see over there? I'm trying to get rid of my jug, right? I'm trying to get rid of the jug. So the jug, or you know, on the LS it got the steam vents and all that good stuff, right? So this is a coupler. Maybe y'all know about this, maybe y'all didn't. The links will be in the description for these parts. This is a coupler. It's got threads in it. This coupler goes in this radiator hose. So put it about here, I guess. Put it about there in the radiator hose, right? Now I gotta open this. Hold on for a second. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Animate himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Animate Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Animate Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man. And yeah, enjoy those enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a gist of what's supposed to be here, but this is not it. I may be able to use this for something else later, but you got this little fitting right here that, fuck, I done dropped it, I don't even know where. That's supposed to go in this hole, right? And it comes out, let me find it, hold on. It comes out it's supposed to screw in this hole. It got threads on it, but it's not, this one ain't the right one because it's not, I don't know what's going on with it. They sent the wrong one. I just have to order me another one. But it's supposed to be in there like that. In the hose, you run your steam vent to this, and your steam vent is running through the radiator hose. That's how that was supposed to be set up. But being that they sent me the wrong fit, it's not gonna be set up that way right now. So I have to, I gotta go back on Amazon and order the right fit, because that one ain't it. But y'all get my drift. Y'all get my drift, man. I don't know why this ain't, because this is what he sent me, but it's not right. So, but yeah. So that's gonna eliminate that 1/4 inch hose that's going from my from the steam vent to the water jug, to the, you know what I'm saying, to the reservoir. It's gonna eliminate that, put it in the hose. That way I don't need the steam vent stuff going to that part. I can just put a regular reservoir over there for overflow or whatever, and we can just go from there. So that's how we're gonna do that. But yeah, I gotta get in here. Like I said, I gotta get in here and order this right fitting because that wasn't it. And I knew once I opened the package, looked at it, that it wasn't it. But yeah, so I guess I'll get on that ASAP, and y'all will see that in a video or whatever. I don't think I'm gonna hold the video hostage until I get that piece. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I could, but I don't think I am. But yeah, I'm about to go in here and watch some stuff with Ashley because yeah, that's what I do. Go watch some stuff. Oh, also, if y'all not following me on Facebook, my personal Facebook, I'm gonna put that link. I'm gonna put that link down in the description as well. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to get up to 1K followers over there on Facebook. I know my Facebook is fairly new, so nobody even knew about it really, I don't guess. But yeah, I get on there and talk about car stuff and all that good stuff. I also got my business Facebook, which is the clothing line one. But yeah, so oh boy, I'm sleeping now. I'm just not leaving the barbershop, man. That's crazy. But yeah, let me go ahead, man. I'm gonna go here, like I said, and watch some stuff for Ashley, man. And I don't know if I'm gonna hit y'all back with this video once the part get here, which I probably could. I'll order it in the next couple days. I order it tomorrow. They'll probably get here sometime next week, and then I can go on. Cause I got a couple videos for this video gonna come out anyway. So yeah, I can do that. And I can continue this video then. So once I get that part, I'll come back with this video, and then we'll go from there.